the little ant, and the kind butterfly. One warm morning in a colorful garden, flowers were blooming and butterflies were flying from one plant to another. Near a small path, a tiny ant was slowly trying to carry a large grain of sugar back to its home. The grain was much bigger than the ant, so every few steps, the ant had to stop and rest, as the sugar sometimes slipped from its grip. Even though the task was very difficult, the little ant kept pushing and pulling the grain with great effort because it did not want to give up. A butterfly flying nearby noticed the struggling ant and gently landed beside it. Seeing how hard the ant was trying, the butterfly kindly offered to help. The butterfly carefully pushed the grain of sugar with its wings, while the ant pulled it from the front. Working together, they slowly moved the sugar grain across the garden path toward the ant's home. After some time, they finally reached the small entrance of the ant's home. The ant felt proud and thankful because the task that seemed almost impossible before had become much easier with help. That day, the little ant understood an important lesson. Helping and supporting each other makes everyone stronger. Helping others makes you stronger.